I'm back here with another video, and today I am going to be recording another Wolf Quest video, and we are going to start off where we left off with Ruby. Not Ruby, sorry about that. I have another game that I have another load that I play off camera. This one is for recording, and the other one I have for Ruby. So yeah, anyway, yeah, this is the Ruby, Dawn. Now, I don't know what I was going to do, because I didn't go and see first. You know what? Just gonna exit the game. So, quit game. I'm gonna keep going. Main menu. Not all the way up, but decently up. Load a saved game. Instead of Dawn, instead of autosave, I'm gonna do Dawn. Load. No, I'm gonna have another way down. Okay, so this was where I left off last. I guess I'm just off trying to find a mate. Isn't that what I'm doing, guys? Here it is, okay. Anyway, I'm just gonna go. Sorry I haven't been recording videos, by the way. Like I said before, or maybe, I don't know. Anyway, school has started for me. So, because of this, I'm gonna have a delay on videos more often than I already do. So, yeah. Now, guys, if y'all want to, y'all can leave names down in the comments for the mate, or Dawn's mate, but I was really gonna go with Onyx, to be honest. So I'm gonna name him Onyx, and then if y'all want me to change his name afterwards, I will. Just sniffing out scents or territory markers. Hey, there's a coyote here. Nom, nom, nom. A tasty morse. One. Okay. Also, guys, I can actually achieve goals because I have gotten the full version of the game. Now, I gotta continue looking for a mate. Well, not really a mate, but a territory marker here. Where am I? Oh. Auto saving. That's an elk, right? What is that? No, sir. Nope. Damn it. Why did I stop? I thought I killed it. Thank you. Horses are actually one of my... Not horses. Wolves are truly one of my most favorite animals. And why can't I find a territory marker? Like, literally. I should probably start by bordering the territory and go from there, but I mean, who does that? What? That's weird. I like you. What is he gonna say? I like you. Aw, this is so cute. So, I'm gonna say, let's play. Yay! Let's start a pack. Let's start a pack is what he said. Now I have to get one more heart, I think. Yep. So a few minutes into the game and we have gotten a mate. And now tell me y'all agree that he looks like an onyx. Like, he's black. Come on. What the? Oh god, okay, give me a second, guys. Okay. Let me do it this way if it allows me. Onyx. Onyx. Hang on, guys. Okay. ONYX. And I just got a text, huh? Yep, it's from the goofball group. Hi to my fans. Ugh. You know what? No. I'm not dealing with this. Hurry up. Gosh. Leave arena. I got happy together. So now we do that. I move y'all up there. And I do this. Where do I gotta go? Gotta go over there. Okay. Towards the star. After we go and hunt. We're gonna go hunting, and then we're gonna go towards the star or the place we need to go. So, yeah. There we go. You know what? The closest elk territory is over here. So let's go this way. Sorry about the loud noise. Warning for headphone users. Shut up, dogs! Sorry about that, guys. Said that beforehand, and I don't give a shit. We have 5 dogs, so that's why occasionally y'all will hear me yell at them. This is an elk. They were just by here. Oh, I found them. Shh.
Hey, I'm heading to the pharmacy to get.
I just found them. Pick off the weakest. Found one. You always want to go find the one that runs away, because the one that runs away is the perfect one. Keep her away from the herd. Wait. Damn it! Nope. There we go. I just realized I've been recording a video and I've been extremely silent. I'm sorry about that, guys. Anyway, I'm going to continue on to the star, and then after I get to the star, we are going to go to South Creek. Now that we have gone to South Creek, we are going to hunt. Then after that, I need comments on... Okay, guys, comment in the comments below where our den should be. I will show you where the dens are, or at least tell you what the den options are. This says survival of the pack. A wolf's life is about one thing: passing on its genes to the next generation. All else, from elk hunting to defending a territory, drives towards the single goal. You and your mate survive hazards of the wilderness long enough to meet each other from a bond and survive the winter. Now you can try to realize this goal with pups of your own. You and your mate will become the breeding pair formerly called alphas of your pack. The survival of your genetic code will be responsibility, even with all the dangers you have faced reach this point. Your real struggle has only just begun. I'll do that later. Look for a den. Now if I click the map button, you see the green dots are the areas. The den areas. Now, the one to the right, no, the left. The one to the left, the green dot up to the left, like the top left, is the closest to where we go after we have the pups and raise them up and everything. So that's probably the best den to go to. Now, the other two are the farthest away. Now, the top right is the farthest away, and then the bottom right is also close. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys have a nice day. I might record another one with my friend Trenton. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know, though. Or at least with his voice. So, I'm going to save the game. Yeah, save it to that one. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.